In 2008, Toyota released a 4-liter, 24-valve, 6-cylinder off-road vehicle that produced 239 horsepower. Shout out Lil Peck. And also produced 278 pound-feet of torque. The Trail Teams edition came with rear differential locker, traction control, a custom subwoofer, and a whole bunch of other bullshit. That vehicle was...
FJ.
Even zelf, ik vraag ons maar niet.
Nee, FJ.
FJ.
Ja, FJ.
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 And I happen to own one. Also in 2008, the US was going into a financial crisis.
We're down over 16%.
Dow at the same time has fallen about 18%. The stock market is now down 21%.
And I was 13 years old. Also at 13, I was probably listening to this.
I got me some bathing. I got me some bathing. I got me some bathing. I got me some bathing.
I've had my FJ for about 7 years now. She's gotten me through multiple road trips. I've driven cross country with her, never let me down, but she's starting to show her age. I do like regular maintenance and whatnot. She's definitely breaking down a little bit. And this last September,
and we are just getting word now that it has made landfall. So Ian has made landfall as a Category 4, winds of 155 miles per hour, just 2 miles per hour short of that Category 5 status.
and there it is. As you can see, a palm tree in my backyard fell down, and well, before it was able to hit my roof, the FJ saved it. For this to be the extent of damages that I kind of suffered because of the hurricane, I'm very thankful. I have worked on Fort Myers Beach for years, and I know a handful of people that lost absolutely everything. So this isn't a sob story about my car. This is just me telling you what happened. It pushed me to kind of work on my car again for a little bit. And this is that. I drove around like this for a couple weeks until I found somebody on Facebook who was parting out their wrecked FJ. And I ordered the spoiler and the back third light from him. Finished it with a sticker and some emblems, and yeah. An ode to this man, the most important person in streetwear for the last 30 years. And also I did it for 13-year-old me.